Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing. This is Kirsten here. Today we are going to do Plouise. Like, this is a giant box. So to start off with, Plouise is a subscription box from the UK. It varies every month, which is a little bit weird. Sometimes it's 47, sometimes it's 51, 52. It can really depend, and I'm not sure why. I haven't got a straight answer, but it is what it is at this point. It is quite pricey to bring it over as well. They do ship out on like the 1st or 2nd of the month, a month behind. So this one here is my February one. And I mean, we're almost at the end of March now, so not great. But I did get this box, and I got one more from Plouise that they were saying was my March box, which I was like, yes, it's early. I can do a video before anyone else and give everyone a sneak peek of what's to come. But it was another February one. It was the same box. So I messaged them. They're like, oh, we made a mistake. It's not your March box. Send it back. And I got really lucky that they let me send it back without paying for shipping, because usually once you open it, they make you pay for shipping back to the UK, and I was not going to do that. So now I have to wait for it to get back to the UK, back to them, before they'll even send me out my March one. So my March one might be late. I'm not really sure. So I'm really hoping that doesn't happen. But anyways, enough chit-chatting. So we're going to dive into this one. It's Go Shorty, It's Your Birthday. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. So they do packaging really well, like so that nothing gets damaged. Okay, this has 3 items in it, which is really low. But I mean, their palettes are usually really big and I mean, gorgeous. So here's the first item, the Bad Energy. I mean, I have so many of these. Like, I feel like almost every month they give them out in one of their beauty boxes just to get rid of it. Which, I mean, it is what it is. It's kind of to be expected that they put in the beauty boxes all the stuff that they don't get rid of. I mean, almost every company does that. But if you're watching, Plouise, stop doing this to me. I don't generally like them. I don't know why. I mean, the last one I got was last month, and it was a coconut one. I really, really hate coconut. The smell. And this one's made from 20% strawberries and cream. Now, I'm allergic to strawberries. So, if this actually has strawberries in it, I can't touch it. So, it's not getting unboxed. It's just the way it is. I'll give it to my sister, which is lucky she's not allergic to it. And I mean, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. I'm allergic. I mean, I had an allergy when I was a kid, and it went away for a long time. But then when I got pregnant, it came back, which is weird. But I mean, pregnancy does all sorts of weird things to women. So. Next, we have a water spray. After cleansing, mist over your face or spray on your dry parts of your body and massage until completely absorbed. You can reuse this spray throughout the day whenever your skin needs an essential boost. I have never even heard of this before. I mean, I don't have super dry anything, but I mean, cute packaging. Like Plouise, I mean, you do packaging so well. I mean, granted, it is a lot of pink, but I mean, it's so cute. So weird smelling. It's ocean orange. I can't I mean, you get a slight, like, orange citrus smell. But there's something else. I'm not sure. But I will try it. Couldn't hurt, right? I mean, I got it. Might as well use it. And for the last item, like, whoa, look at the size of this palette. Where am I going to keep it? I mean, if anyone breaks into my house, I can knock them out with my eyeshadow palette. No, I don't want to break my eyeshadow. But, I mean, it's heavy. Like, it's heavy, it's huge, it's, oh my god, it looks so amazing. So, I mean, like, just like the little details on everything. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to cover up the mirror a bit. If I can. And then you have all these shades here. They're all neutrals with golds and shimmers and everything. And then I do have a little bit of damage on something because I have loose eyeshadow. But yeah, there's like, you will never need another neutral eyeshadow palette in a year. There's no way. And I mean, what do they say that your eyeshadows should be like, you throw out every 6 months unless you're preserving them? I mean, that's a lot. I mean, it's fantastic. Like, it's so big. What is it? It doesn't say how many shades. Does that say 42? Is that right? I'm gonna have to count. That seems excessive, doesn't it? 42? I don't think I've ever seen a palette with that many. 21. Yeah, there's 42 different colors in there. Now, the one thing that I normally like from Plouise's palettes, and they don't have this time, is a brush. I mean, I love Plouise brushes. And I have sets and stuff, but I mean, normally they tend to stick one in somewhere. They usually have like a little cutout so that they can have one. So, I mean, it's cute. I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. Yeah. So that's all for today. So, like, subscribe, hit your notification bell, because we are putting new videos up every day or every 2 days at the moment. Actually, lately it's been 2 videos a day, because we are so backed up. Because I kind of went crazy and got a whole bunch of different ones. So my husband's ready to kill me right now. But it means more content for you guys to watch. And it also means I have tons of leftover product. So I have stockpiled it. So when we start getting more subscribers, I will be doing a draw to give away all the extra products that I will not use. I mean, I get 15 to 20 beauty boxes every month. There's no way I can go through anywhere close to that. I give a lot to my friends and family already, but you might as well gain it. So hit the subscribe button. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.